guys, Theresa here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add voiceover for your TikTok videos, so stay tuned. If you're new here, welcome. I make a lot of how-to videos for social media, and if you enjoy these types of content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Without further ado, let's jump straight into it. First of all, you need to open up your TikTok account, and once you're in it, say if you've already got a video that you have already pre-recorded or already edited, you can hit the plus button, and I'm gonna go here and select a video. I'm just gonna use this one as an example, and then hit next, and go hit next again, and then you see that little icon there, like it looks like a microphone. Tap into that, it'll say voiceover as well. You can start recording your voiceover. So hit the record button, say 1, 2, 3, 4, stop, and if you don't like it, hit the back button. And once you are happy with what you have recorded, hit save and then hit next, and then you can add a caption to your video and go ahead and post. So that's a nice and simple tutorial. If you have any other questions for me, please leave it down in the comment section below. But that's all from me for now, and I'll see you on the next one.